Today we're touring the comfort room at Tokyu Stay Takanawa, a practical hotel near Sengakuji Station. Welcome to Tokyu Stay Takanawa. Today we're looking at the comfort room, one of the most practical hotel options in Tokyo if you want the convenience of apartment with the service of hotel. The hotel is located in Takanawa, near Sengakuji Station and Takanawa Gateway, so you're well connected to the rest of Tokyo without being in the busiest tourist areas. It's especially popular with longer stay guests, business travelers, and families who want more than just a place to sleep. Let's take a look inside the comfort room and see what makes it stand out. The hotel is in Takanawa, just a short walk from Sengakuji Station, which connects you directly to Haneda Airport and central Tokyo. It's also near Takanawa Gateway Station on the JR line, giving easy access to Shinjuku, Shibuya, and Tokyo Station. The surrounding areas is quieter than the busiest tourist spots, with a mix of business offices, apartments, and a few convenience stores and cafes within a short walk, making it easy to grab a snack or a quick meal. Walking around the streets nearby, the atmosphere feels calm, especially at night. Cars pass by, but the area has a business district vibe, giving a sense of quiet and order. From outside, the building has a clean, modern look that fits well into this part of the city. Walking into the hotel, the lobby is simple and functional, not extravagant but welcoming.
Hey, welcome into the room. So in front of me there is a small area here where there's a microwave, kettle, actually a very fancy kettle. This is one from Bermuda. It's basically like a very nice one if you're making drip coffee. The other Tokyu Stay in Kamasa we had was just a DeLonghi kettle, so it's still a good kettle, but this one's even more fancier. That is very good if you're making drip coffee. And then below is the washing machine. It comes with a instruction guide in some Japanese how to use it. I believe there is a English manual as well. But it's a very similar machine we had in Tokyu Stay in Kamasa. Got a lot of different courses, spin cycles, depending if you want to wash, dry, spin, or just all that kind of stuff. And then behind me there's some coat hangers here. Handy if you just have a few pieces of clothes that you can hang out. As well as you get two pairs of slippers as well at the bottom. Also here we do have a trousers press. I think this hotel is more specifically targeted towards like business people, like who come go to the office and stuff. It's very handy if you're actually coming here for like a conference or event and you need your trousers ironed. So moving further into the room, on the left here we have the toilet. It's a very standard Japanese toilet with just a standard Japanese bathtub. It's quite deep. And then you got your classic bidet and the sink with quite a large sink actually here. We've got a fancy hairdryer as well, and toothbrushes and cups, just the usual amenities here. And then further down the room we have the main area where there's TV, the bed, etc. In terms of the bed, it's a very standard bed. We've got a large single bed here. It's kind of like a king size bed in UK. Yeah, it's not too firm, it's not too soft, so it's quite easy for us to sleep. And in this place there isn't really a view outside the window here. As well as a power outlet as well.
As you enter the hotel, you'll first see a seating area near the lobby. In the morning, it is used for breakfast, and at other times, it is a comfortable spot to relax with family and friends. Walking past that, you reach the main reception area. Elevators to the guest room are on the right, and just beside them are the helpful in-room amenities like tea bags, cotton buds, and other essentials. Newspapers are also available for guests. At the back of this area is the check-in desk, where staff are ready to assist. The front desk is very helpful, with English-speaking staff available, and they also use a high-tech voice recognition system supporting multiple languages for smooth communication. On the right, you'll find a coffee and hot drink station, a great place to grab a coffee, tea, or hot chocolate after a long day exploring. Around the corner, there are vending and ice machines for additional convenience. Housekeeping is flexible to suit your stay. For shorter visits, simple cleaning is available on request, including towel and nightwear changes and trash disposal. For longer stays, full room cleaning is done weekly, which also includes making the bed and replenishing in-room supplies. If you arrive early, luggage storage is available so you can explore the city before your room is ready, and checkout is generally at 11 AM. Overall, these facilities and services make your stay convenient and comfortable for families or leisure travelers. Guests can also enjoy a Japanese Western breakfast buffet on the first floor. A highlight of the buffet is the Dashi Chasuke corner, where seasonal toppings like pickled tuna are offered, along with other daily selections. Tickets can be purchased at the front desk, and the seating area doubles as a comfortable spot to relax before heading out for the day. Elevator access throughout the hotel makes it easy to get around, and while there is no on-site parking, nearby public options are available for guests arriving by car. Small conveniences like fax and photocopy services are also available if needed. Tokyu Stay Takanawa offers a quiet and convenient location. There's a short walk from Sengakuji and Takanawa gateway stations, making it easy to reach central Tokyo and Haneda Airport. The comfort rooms are practical and well equipped, with in-room amenities like washer and dryer, microwave, and kettle, ideal for families or longer stays. The hotel staff are friendly and English speaking, and the luggage storage and the flexible housekeeping adds extra convenience. The hotel is also accessible with elevators to all floors, making it easy for families with strollers or young children. Breakfast is available on the first floor, offering a variety of Japanese and Western options, including a Dashi Chasuke corner with seasonal toppings. On the other hand, there is no on-site parking, so guests arriving by car will need to use nearby public options. The hotel does not have fitness or wellness facilities, and the surrounding area is quieter with fewer restaurants or nightlife spots. Overall, it's a solid choice for families looking for a comfortable, convenient, and peaceful stay in Tokyo. I've also done a review of the residential room at the same Tokyu Stay, which offers even bigger space and additional kitchenette. If you'd like to check that out, just click the card in the top right. Thanks for watching our review of Tokyu Stay Takanawa. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more family-friendly travel tips, hotel reviews, and Japan adventures. Don't forget to check the description for links and more information to help plan your stay.